and I designed a character. Yeah.
That's but the story is not true. What you are saying, it's
No,
a fictional.
it is fictional, yes.
But the true story is different.
True story, I don't know if it happened also. This is just from my fiction. Basically, by definition, is what which comes from your imagination.
Okay.
So then the question of it being real doesn't exist when it's fiction.
Do you believe in ghosts? Do they exist?
See, I neither believe in ghosts nor God, but it is not a question of belief, because we are talking about entities which are beyond my my sphere of understanding. But I will say I've chosen not to believe in them because it suits my purpose not to believe. So I won't say they exist or they don't exist, but rather believe they don't exist, because life becomes easier for me when I neither do I believe in God or a ghost.
Till now, in your life, is there any bad moment or a bad situation where you want to cry?
No, I never cry.
You never cried. And for example, I know you have a wife and a daughter. Apart from them, if you want to have a life partner, I know you don't want to be.
Yeah.
I'll give you 3 options: hot, crazy, and understandable. Which one do you want to pick?
In a woman?
In a woman. Of course, life partner is like, for you is a woman, right?
So I don't want anyone understanding, because I understand myself. I don't need someone else to understand me, because I don't look for acceptance. I don't look for a kind of a endorsement. So I don't need anyone to understand me, because anyone understands me bores me actually,
And
yeah, second one is what?
hot. Crazy.
Crazy, of course not, because I believe in rationality, and any kind of an irrational behavior is something which irritates me a lot. So not that.
But I think
Hot, yes.
But I think RGV is like a craziest person I have ever seen.
See, there's a line of Nietzsche, a German philosopher. He said, if you can't listen to my music, you won't understand my dance. So everybody's sensibility is in direct relationship to what he is feeling for himself, and his feeling comes from his sensibility and his absorption, his analysis, and there are so many factors which cannot be the same for 2 different individuals. So one person looking crazy, for that person also, other person can look crazy, because rationality cannot be generalized.
Like, I usually feel RGV is a teacher to the society, because he does whatever he likes. That is actually the human has to do. Like, that is what all humans wish. So what do you want to say to this society, like, to be like me, or
I do not believe in telling anything to anybody. I feel everyone, I believe very strongly in the Ayn Randian objectivist principle, that I will not ask anyone to live for my sake, neither will I live for someone else's sake. I feel each individual has to make the choice for himself or herself the way they want to live. So that ultimately follows you should never ever advise someone. So I neither do advise someone nor do I take anyone's advice.
So what is RGV greedy about?
I
Anything.
am greedy about wanting to see as many beautiful women as possible.
To see. Just to see.
Yeah. Partly, yeah.
Then
ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬೇಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಯೋಯೋ ಟಿವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.